What's up, welcome to another street circumstance vlog. Today I will be working on my rims. They have this dull to the shine, and here I have to get a new hub, another major setback. So here I have to get another hub because I couldn't tighten the nuts on the wheel. So yeah, it's another major setback. I have to get a new wheel hub. So I'm gonna work on my rims. So I'm gonna wash them and then try to polish them, which is gonna be a routine for every day. I have to polish them. So I bought auto soil for them and change my side indicators to LEDs, from bulbs to LEDs. That's if I got the right LED bulbs. So yeah, today what I'm gonna do is quickly try bring the shine back from my rims. Yeah, so I'll have to move basically the Golfy. Just to move and then reverse this one and then fix a flat tire on this one. Yeah, I have to fix this free stretch tire. So yeah. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna just quickly give it a wash. Since it's a new month, it has to be polished. So I'm gonna give it a wash, polish, and then start refurbing the rims. Let's get to it. Okay, I just finished washing the car, so now I'm going for the mags. So yeah, now I'm gonna thoroughly wash the mags. And then try polish them and see the outcome. So yeah, let me get back to it and then I'll record it for you guys. Okay, so I'm done washing them, so I'm gonna try polishing them, even the face. So I'm gonna polish now. So yeah, here they are, just finished polished them. What the hell am I saying?
What are you saying, man? What are you saying? What is he saying?
Okay guys, so here they are. I just finished polishing them. So they're all wrapped up. I think for the best results I'll have to put it in the sun. still polished. Okay, let me just put it in the sun for you so you can see. Mm-hmm.